We choose peace.
We choose peace. We choose peace. We need peace.
Not a war.
Just peace.
Not a fear.
Just peace.
Not a hate.
Just peace.
We choose love.
Like peace.
Let this be our mission.
To protect peace.
Let this be our shout.
To protect peace. We want peace in every city.
Peace.
In every school.
Peace.
In every heart.
Peace.
For our country.
Peace.
For my people.
Peace.
For all to find harmony and love. In the depths of humanity, diversity with our story. How different on the surface, yet one by shared glory. How different are we from one another? All human beings are basically the same. Wherever they live, we may speak different languages or have different ideas. We may wear different clothes or eat different foods. Our parents may give us dark or pale skins, blue eyes or brown, and various colors of hair. But in the end, we share the same needs, pleasures, hopes and fears. We shouldn't waste our time quarreling, for we are all members of the same big family, one family, forever in our hearts. So let us rise our voices high, in harmony as we touch the sky. Together we stay hand in hand, one family united, forever great.
Peace isn't silence. It's the sound that calms every storm.
Let's avoid the thing that bothers peace.
For every child born in this world deserves peace.
Peace is love.
We need peace to learn and grow.
In life, peace. Peace is the solution of everything.
Peace is not around you. It's inside you.
All we're looking for is peace. Love without peace is nothing.
Peace is freedom that we created together.
Peace is the greatest action in our daily activity. Peace is when we listen more and fight less.
Peace is not what we want, but what we truly need.
Peace is not about ceasing a war. It's about respecting each other.
Peace makes the world better for everyone. Peace means living without fighting and war. Peace for today, peace for tomorrow, and peace forever. Peace is more than a word.
Peace is power. With peace, we can rise forever.
Peace, the spice of our life.
Let's rise with peace.
The greatest peace is peace of God. Let's live with peace. No more fighting, no more diversity. We need peace.
Peace does not mean being quiet or being silent.
So, let's have a peace.
ويحواني وحالفو كتريني كتمتا جزي خدو توانشفو بقلحتا كجمتا بتسفايات حدر نفسي أيلانيو نايمتشوت نقدي مدك أسي أي تتقلبنيا لسلوس فرناش مترأسي أي تمرسنيا زقني بليعا سلسي أتي زمتسي ولا جو متيولو تنسو بعجب نقبلو هيا بتي زردو زفتو مرحبا بيانفنو نبلو من زين زمرلا بغونات أتي والقا ملاخي سدت حمامون تتصاورو بزي فوسي علامة أنت تفسيسو بغالسي خلو رخيبا يترفسي أو خبدات راي بغلي فساسي مكتات سوئيان نخلو قهاسي سنفلال خوينو حلفتي أوامري كبتسفر نمعخنات سمعيتي كم دلايات توافر حرك فغرات أريموني حموراي نابلني حمشاي عمد دقيبنا يو أب سدت كندا مكرا حزسي أغلنا حزبي دخلت آم مكرا يولد أبشرا والقتاي حمرا عدي أزمرا شاي شويت زبل علا يولد تقراي بتغلالا مفتقاري عدي كوري علا انكو عناتا خونكو انكو عناتي خونت خبيرة زخبرا سفر نايجقن النت زرقي زي فلخو حد النت استقيمة أو دقمه هنسأتا كوفر عميمة نسنجو من النت يولد أب كله tigray حنت نعاي زبلو تبل.
They say peace is just a word, but we've seen how war breaks the world. We've seen tears fall like a rain from heart that hears silent pain.
Peace is more than silence. It is the end of violence. It is the food on the table and stories told without fear.
Peace is not our weakness. It's our greatest strength. The reason children sleep in mother's breast in death. We need peace for the heart, peace for the home, peace for the world.
Without peace, hope heals. Without peace, love divides.
We don't just need peace. We are ready to build it, not with anger, but with the truth and commitment.
Someone must listen, someone must lead, someone must believe that peace begins with me. We need peace for the people, peace for the poor, peace for the young, peace for the sure.
Let peace be the language.
Let peace be the bridge.
Let peace be the promise we all keep. We need peace for the people, peace for the poor, peace for the young, peace for the sure.
The birds were flying in the sky. Everything was beautiful, no lie. The tree, the people, the ocean. Everything was wonderful in my eye, with peace by my side. We learn to give, we learn to support by the thing that can be built. It's love, it's peace, what make us alive. Without it, we'd be dead on the side. Let's make up, let's forgive each other. That's the solution, there is no another. Where are you, peace? Where did you go? You know I can look for you all along. So let's be together and look for peace. Let's go and search for what we miss. Peace for Tigray, peace for my country. Let's be together and forgive the history. Thank you.
But there is something that makes us the same. We all need peace. Because whether we are white or black, whether we are fat or thin, whether we are old or kids, we all need and deserve peace. Where there is love, there is peace. Where there is peace, there is everything. You can't do anything without peace. Let alone human beings, animals need peace. So let's stop choosing bloodline. Let's avoid altercation. Let's eradicate our differences. Let's stop fighting. Let's love each other. Let's stand for peace. Peace for all.
Today, I want to tell you about something more powerful than everything. That's peace. Peace is not just a word. Peace is not absence of war. Peace is not only silence after conflict. Peace is love, kindness, and respecting each other. We often think that peace is only for country or big leaders to make. But peace starts with small. It starts with me and it starts with you. When I help someone, when I say kind words, and when I forgive others, that's peace. I'll have peace of mind. If we all choose peace, this world will be a better place. One smile, one kind act, and one peaceful heart can make a difference. Let's be the reason that someone feels safe. Let's be voice that can bring calm, not noise. Let's choose peace today and every day.
Peace is smile, peace is hug, peace is to help like friendly back. Peace is a gift for you and me. Smile your friend happy and free. Peace is a word soft and so true, helping each other in everywhere. Peace is a beat in everywhere. No hate, no fear, just love to share. Peace starts with us in everywhere. Peace starts with us in everywhere. Peace begins with us.
Peace begins with me. You see, a kind of word, a friendly glee, a helping hand, a gentle touch, caring for others oh so much. No furious words, no heartful fight. Cheering for others, sharing sunshine, making things bright.